Begin by going to your asset library on Squarespace, scrolling all the way down to make sure that all the images are there. Right click, go to inspect, wait for this to load, and then scroll up until you see the body. Right click that, click copy, copy element, then go to the website. You can see there's light mode or dark mode. Paste what you just copied, and there's all types of filters. You can change the download speed, you can choose what folder you want to put it into, you can make it so it's organized into an image subfolder and a video subfolder. You can change the file types. If you only want some types of files downloaded, then you click extract and download assets, and just like that, as quick as that, I truly did not fast forward, it's done. You can see downloaded here and all my files. And right there, you can see that the files worked. Thank you.